Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're re-diving into one of humanity's most fascinating and enduring questions. Are we alone in the universe? This isn't just a modern obsession. The story of our search for extraterrestrial life is deeply intertwined with our own technological leaps, a tale filled with mystery, hoaxes, and genuine scientific wonder. Let's travel back in time. Picture the world at the turn of the 20th century. It's an age of miracles. Electricity is lighting up cities, the first airplanes are taking to the skies, radio waves are suddenly carrying voices across vast distances, and the dream of rocket travel is taking its first tentative steps. Humanity is shrinking the globe, conquering the skies, and in this whirlwind of progress, an ancient question suddenly feels more urgent than ever. If we can achieve all this, what else might be out there among the stars? This new curiosity didn't take long to spark the public's imagination. In fact, one of the earliest UFO stories dates all the way back to 1897. Newspapers in America ran sensational headlines about a mysterious flying craft that had supposedly crashed in a small town in Texas. The stories even claimed there was a non-human pilot. Now, most historians today are pretty confident this was all just a clever hoax, a way to sell more newspapers. But it didn't matter. For the first time, a concrete image was planted in the public mind. A strange ship from another world, falling to Earth. The seed of the modern UFO myth had been sown. But the story that truly ignited a global phenomenon wouldn't happen for another 50 years. Let's jump to 1947. Roswell, New Mexico. The world was just recovering from World War II, and tensions were high. Suddenly, the US military makes a shocking announcement. They've recovered a flying disc. The news flashes across the country. Could this be it? The proof we've been waiting for? But just as quickly as the story broke, it was retracted. The military changed its tune completely. Oh, that flying disc. Never mind, it was just a weather balloon. Nothing to see here. This sudden, clumsy reversal was like pouring gasoline on a fire. A weather balloon. The explanation seemed so flimsy, so unbelievable, compared to the initial report. Why would they lie? What were they trying to hide? For many, the answer was obvious. They had recovered something extraordinary. Something not of this world, and were now desperately trying to cover it up. This single event, this one contradiction, gave birth to decades of conspiracy theories, books, documentaries, and a global obsession with what really happened in the New Mexico desert. The Roswell incident became the bedrock of modern UFO lore, a mystery that continues to fascinate and frustrate people to this very day. After Roswell, the floodgates opened. The Cold War era, from the 1950s through the 1970s, became the golden age of UFO sightings. Thousands of reports poured in from all over the world. From credible witnesses like pilots and police officers to ordinary people staring up at the night sky. People saw strange lights, silent crafts, moving at impossible speeds, and objects that defied the known laws of physics. The world was on edge, caught in the tense standoff between the United States and the Soviet Union. This paranoia fueled the speculation. Were these sightings just advanced, top-secret spy planes developed by the enemy? Or was it something else entirely? Many people became convinced that these crafts were far too advanced to be human-made. They had to be extraterrestrial. The idea that we were being visited, perhaps even observed, by beings from other planets, took hold in the collective consciousness. Governments couldn't ignore the sheer volume of reports. The US Air Force launched Project Blue Book, an official investigation into UFO phenomena. Other countries started their own secret studies. While many of these investigations concluded that most sightings could be explained by natural phenomena or misidentified aircraft, a small, stubborn percentage of cases remained unidentified. Many of these official files are still classified today, leaving a tantalizing trail of breadcrumbs for researchers and fueling the belief that the truth is still being hidden. But the search for aliens wasn't just happening in the realm of conspiracy and military secrets. While some people were looking up at the sky with suspicion, scientists were pointing massive telescopes towards the stars with a sense of hope. This was the birth of SETI, the search for extraterrestrial intelligence. The idea was simple, yet profound. Instead of waiting for them to visit us, why not listen for them? Using powerful radio telescopes, scientists began to systematically scan the cosmos, listening for any non-natural signals, any whispers of technology from a distant civilization. It was a patient, methodical search, a far cry from the dramatic stories of crashed sources, and we weren't just listening. We decided to send a message of our own. In 1977, humanity launched one of its most poetic and hopeful projects. The Voyager 1 and 2 probes were sent on a grand tour of our solar system and beyond. Destined to eventually drift into interstellar space, attached to each probe was a remarkable artifact, the Golden Record. This wasn't just a piece of metal. It was a time capsule, a message in a bottle thrown into the cosmic ocean. It contains 115 images of life on Earth, a variety of natural sounds, musical selections from different cultures and eras, and spoken greetings in 55 different languages. It's a snapshot of who we are, a friendly hello sent out into the vast, silent darkness. The Voyager probes are still traveling, carrying our message deeper into the galaxy. They are the farthest human-made objects from Earth, a testament to our enduring curiosity. Who knows if that record will ever be found, or by whom? But the act of sending it speaks volumes about our desire to connect, to let the universe know that we are here. So, where does that leave us today? The modern age, with its incredible technological advancements, threw open the doors to the cosmos. We've walked on the moon, sent rovers to Mars, and our telescopes can peer into the dawn of time. Yet, this same era also gave birth to a powerful global myth idea that we have been visited, that the proof is just out of reach, hidden behind layers of secrecy. UFOs have become a permanent fixture in our modern culture, inspiring some of our greatest works of fiction and our most passionate debates. Are they just stories we tell ourselves, modern folklore for a technological age? Or is there a profound truth waiting to be uncovered? Perhaps the sightings are a mix of misidentification, secret military projects, and a small number of genuinely unexplainable events. The mystery itself has become part of our story. The search for aliens, in many ways, has become a search for ourselves, forcing us to confront our place in the universe and what it means to be human. Whether we are alone or just one of many voices in a grand cosmic chorus, the question itself continues to inspire us to look up, to wonder, and to explore. Thanks so much for joining me on this journey through time and space. What do you think? Are we alone, or is the truth still out there? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the mysteries of our world. See you next time.